In this video, I am going to talk about a very important concept in Python, because many times we face errors, and well, error is not good in Python, in any programming language, in any program or any software you just make. Well, you develop software, for example, and you face some error. Well, it's not good. It's not a good experience. Well, you cannot avoid those errors as well, and you cannot avoid coding as well. So you have to handle that. So just to avoid those things, you have to handle that. Like, well, if I print something, will it work? Let's see what happens. Well, error, syntax error. Syntax error, well, not only we have syntax error, we have many kinds of errors in program when we code. So in all error that crashes our program, like this, which crashed, well, is called an exception. And Python raises these exceptions. We need something called error handling. This error handling. And a great programmer handles error in their program. They do not let that program, that error crashes the program, well, the software. Error handling allows us to let the Python script continue running. Well, if this happens, we cannot run this. We cannot, well, have the next step. So error handling allows us to have these things, to just, well, continue our program, our software. The next step, what will be the next step? So let's talk about some errors in Python. Well, in any programming language, these are, well, acceptable, and these can be, well, same. But let's talk in function, like, well, syntax error. You have seen here, well, this is syntax error. Well, let's have another thing like, hello, let's pause. That's syntax error. Expected this column here, so it's a syntax error. Let's have another error like name error, for example. Let's see def hello, and well, 1 plus name. Okay, will it it work? How it is possible? Because we have not called anything. Can you see that? Well, this is name error. Okay, we have another error like type error, and we have seen that type error. Well, index error we have, like, let's have def hello, and we have a list of 3, and let's have the list of index 5, and well, let's print this. Index error, index out of range. And let's have another kind of error like the same. I want to have the dictionary. Well, the dictionary may have this like a, well, 1, and the dictionary of, let's have the B, and let's run this. E error. This is another type of error. And I have another thing like 5 divided by 0. Let's see what happens here. Zero division error. Well, this is another type of error. So how we can avoid this? Number one, we do not need this, like this error, to be, well, we just face. So a good program A good programmer will avoid this, will handle this. So, well, how to do that? How to handle it? In the next video, I'll talk about handling those errors. So we have talked about type of error, like zero division error, like syntax error, well, type error, index error, well, key error, and name error. We have seen all of them, the example. Well, in the next video, we'll talk how we can actually error handling implementation and how to implement it, how we can, well, have the benefit from this. So we'll see you in the next video.